materials that are used are such as cardboard box, molding board, black paper, clear plastic wrap, mirror, aluminum foil, and polystyrene board. The first step is to cut the 33x22 cm piece from the polystyrene board using a polystyrene cutter and stick a piece of black paper on top of it. Then, insert it into the cardboard box as the base. The second step is to cut 2 pieces of 22x9.7 cm and 2 pieces of 29.5x9.7 cm piece from the polystyrene board and wrap each piece with aluminum foil before inserting each piece into the cardboard box as the sides. The third step is to cut the 3 extra sides of the cardboard box. The fourth step is to stick the mirror on the black mounting board and tape the mounting board on the remaining extra sides. The last step is to paint the outside of the box black, cover the top with a clear plastic wrap and stick chopsticks on the plasticines to hold the mirror in place. Black paper is used with the concept applied, converting sunlight into heat energy and conduction. When sunlight hits the oven, it is absorbed and changed into heat by the black paper that is inside the oven. This enables the inside of the oven to become hot enough for cooking. Polystyrene board is used with the concept applied heat retention, converting sunlight into heat energy and conduction. In order for the insides of the solar oven to reach a temperature high enough for cooking, it must trap and collect enough heat. This is achieved by covering the walls of the box with good insulating materials. Thus, the walls and bottom of the box is covered with polystyrene board. Mirror and aluminum foil is used with the concept applied reflection of light. The sun rays must be concentrated towards the inside of the box to speed up the process of heat collection. Thus, the aluminum foil wrapped around the polystyrene board on the walls and plain mirror is used as the reflecting panel. Clear plastic wrap is used with the concept applied radiation and heat retention. In order to allow the sun's ray to penetrate inside to where the water is located, the solar oven is covered with clear plastic wrap which also act as an inhibitor to trap heat. We have chosen cardboard box and mounting board to be used as the oven's main structure and used as the platform for the mirror because they are able to retain a given shape and form and be durable over time. To carry out the test trials, first we poured 500 ml of water into a container. Secondly, we took the initial temperature of the water, put the container inside the solar oven, and leave it under the sun for 1 hour. When the time reached the 30th minute, we inserted an uncooked egg inside the solar oven. Then, we proceeded to wait until the 30th minute is up before checking the final temperature of the water and cracking the egg into a container to check its condition.
The first trial that we did was on the 14th of July. We recorded the water's initial temperature as 31 degrees Celsius, while the final temperature was 39 degrees Celsius. The water shows a change of 8 degrees Celsius. The condition of the egg was uncooked. The second trial was on the 16th of July. The water's initial temperature was 27 degrees Celsius and the final temperature was 42 degrees Celsius. The water shows a change of 15 degrees Celsius. The condition of the egg was uncooked. The third trial was also on the 16th of July, but at a different time. The water's initial temperature was 35 degrees Celsius and the final temperature was 45 degrees Celsius. The water shows a change of 10 degrees Celsius. The condition of the egg was uncooked but shows signs of just starting to cook. The fourth trial was on the 17th of July. The water's initial temperature was 28 degrees Celsius and the final temperature was 51 degrees Celsius. The water shows a change of 23 degrees Celsius. The condition of the egg was uncooked, but there were signs of the egg just starting to cook. The last trial was also on the 17th of July. The water's initial temperature was 37 degrees Celsius and the final temperature was 47 degrees Celsius. The water shows a change of 10 degrees Celsius. The egg was uncooked but shows signs of just starting to cook.
Out of all the trial with the best result is trial number 4. Trial number 4 has shown the best result with the highest change in temperature, which is 23 Celsius. The egg has also shown a slight change in texture, which is a sign of just starting to cook.